2009 L322 4.2 liter supercharged. Doing an alternator change, no fun. As you can see, when I went to unhook the alternator, the wiring harness just disintegrated. And that's kind of what I have left. After doing some searching, found a compatible plug. It's part number. Here's what it looks like. Pops on just good. Pops back off. After a lot more searching, I found a diagram online. Another video guy did showing how the harness goes in. So you have three wires. One is kind of whitish with a green stripe. Right there. And one with a red stripe on there, and then a brown kind of one. So looking at the alternator, here's the post. So it should be the brown wire, then the red stripe, then the green stripe. So I'm about to wire everything up and try it out. So what I'm gonna do, this is the back of the alternator. So this is going to be the kind of the brown wire with the red stripe, wire with the green stripe. All right, so I found it easier to do it underneath. So here's my harness I've spliced in. Gave them good tugs. Everything seems to be good and tight. This alternator is right up beside the manifold, so I bought this heat-resistant loom. I'm going to try to wrap it around. The original came with this stuff here that I had to pull off. Not really able to salvage it, so we'll try this.